To block the unwanted notifications on your Google Chrome, you need to open the Google Chrome and then click these three vertical dots. From the menu, go to the settings, scroll down and look for the notifications, and by default you would see that your notifications are on. You can simply toggle this switch to off position to disable all notifications. However, if you want to be selective, then you can keep this on and then you can uncheck these options, or for that matter you can uncheck these websites from which you don't want to receive the notifications. Like here there is an option of show notifications, so if I select this and I can deselect every website, and let's say if I want to see the notifications from Pinterest, I can just click this Pinterest option, and now in this case I will not receive notifications from these websites. However, in case there is a notification from Pinterest, then I would receive that. If you want to learn how you can disable the notifications on your laptop, then you should continue watching this tutorial.